Hey YouTube, Sandy Frank here. Today I'm going to be opening up two more of these 2021 Topps Series 1 baseball packs. These are retail packs. They have 16 cards in them though, so you get quite a few cards out of a pack of retail. Let's see what we get. So we got Randy Dobnak. We've got Lewis Brinson, Whit Merrifield, Austin Riley, Michael Taylor. I think he's with the Royals now. Humberto Mejia, rookie. Nick Neidert, rookie. Nick Senzel. Dylan Bundy. Chipper Jones, 86 Topps. I love those throwback cards. Albert Pujols, that's cool. Now with the Dodgers. Carlos Correa. Daniel Murphy. Brad Hand. Nomar Mazara. And Austin Hayes. I just, out of curiosity, want to see what Mazara did last year. I was very disappointed that the Rangers kind of gave up on him. And especially look at his stats. I mean, he had 20 home runs. Here's his home runs, 20, 20, 20, 19. But his games played pretty much went down every year, so he was getting more home runs per at-bat for sure. And his average, I mean, not lighting the earth on fire or anything, you know, above 250, 260 hitter. And actually, his last year with the Rangers, he had a 268 average. So I was very perplexed why they would just give up on him. He's still very young. I mean, he was born in 1995, for crying out loud. And he's got all this experience now. But with the White Sox, man, one home run hit. He hit 228. Very irregular playing time though. I mean, how well that was the bubble. 62 games. Yeah, very poor year. But I like Mazara. I think he's a good hitter. We'll just have to see if he can. I don't even think he's on a team now. So very strange how his career has gone. All right, last pack. All right, there's a. Ooh, we got a foil card there. One of those rainbow foils. Adam Frazier. Charlie Morton. Matt Chapman. Joakim Soria. We got Calvin Biggio. Orioles. Rangers. Joey Wendell. Get Up. Mets Stars Celebrate. And Roman Quinn foil card. That's pretty. Those foil cards look great, by the way. And a Sonny Gray, 52 Topps. Nico Horner, Future Star. We got some rookies here. David Peterson, Anderson Tejada, Keibert Ruiz, rookie, and Ryan Mountcastle. There's a couple of good rookies. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, and I hope you guys are hitting some good baseball cards this year. Later.